Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rancher Banyon. We're doing a mini cattle drive here. This is trained cows for you. They follow you. Come on, gal. Woo! Come on. Come on. Come on, cattle. Come on. Here they come. We moved them across the road. They were over on that side, and now they're over here. We got some excellent stockpile over here, folks. Look at them. Happy cattle. Really happy cows. Just a few more at the end there. Not bad, not bad. Nice little cattle drive here. Happy cows. Stockpile fescue. Stuff will keep you from spending too much money on hay, let me tell you. Keeps the cows fat. Look at them. They're really looking good going into the winter. Really good looking. There they go. From one side of the road to the other. We'll see you on the next video, everyone.